So an associative array is similar to one-dimensional array that we previously discussed, but we can pass the custom key value pairs into this. Okay, this time I don't need to access Alex by using index 1 and access roll number 32 by using index 0. I would just simply write the array name and the my custom index position that I have specified to it. So if I'm writing student of name here, it will print Alex. Okay. So similarly, I can access all the values from it by using their keys. So your roll number is student of roll number. Okay. String is so it is printing first Alex because of this statement, and your roll number is 32, stream is CS. So 32 is being printed by this student of roll number, and CS is being printed through this. Okay, so I can bold it for you. The tag. Similarly, here we go. Okay, so 32 is from the array, CS is from the array, even Alex is also from the array, so we can include that in VTech also. And maybe I would need to add BR as well. Alex, your roll number is 32 and stream is CS. So again, student is an array, and 32 is not stored at index 0. It is stored in front of the key roll number. So if I want to access 32, I would use just this key. Okay, the student name of this key. All right. So in order to access or store values more in order to store data into array in a more organized way, and to access them by using their keys, we use associative arrays. Got it?